The Invisible Student. The first bell rang. Ding, ding! Echoing through Class 2B. Everyone rushed to their seats. Everyone except Adam. Adam was there, but no one noticed, not even his teacher. "Good morning," Ms. Layla said, as students replied loudly. Adam raised his hand, too. "Good morn—" But his voice vanished like mist. "I'm here." He looked at his hands. Nothing, just air. Not again. Every day was the same. He sat in class, but he wasn't seen. He wasn't heard. It was like he didn't exist. At break time, Adam followed a group of boys. They told jokes, laughed, and ran around. Adam tried to join, but one boy walked right through him. "Yes, I'm a ghost now." Back in class, something changed. A new girl entered, Sofia. She wore glasses and carried books twice her size. She scanned the room, and her eyes paused, right at Adam. "You," she said, pointing. The class stared at her like she was crazy. "There's no one there," a student said, laughs harder. But Sofia stepped closer. "I can see you." "Why are you invisible?" Adam, excited but nervous. "You can?" She nodded. "When people feel lonely for too long, they start to fade." Adam, "No one talks to me. They forget I exist." Sofia smiled gently. "Not anymore." She walked to the middle of the class and clapped her hands. "Listen, everyone," she announced. "There's a student here named Adam. He's funny, smart, and he loves football. He deserves to be seen." The class fell silent. Students began looking around, truly looking. Slowly, Adam's hands started to reappear. His voice returned. His whole body shimmered into view like magic. Filled the room. A boy approached. "Hey, Adam. Sorry we ignored you." Another added, mischievously, "Want to play with us later?" Adam, crying but smiling, "Yes, I'd love that." Sofia leaned over and whispered, "See? You're not invisible anymore." And for the first time, Adam felt seen, really seen.